Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we're doing blackened catfish. It's about as simple as it gets. We've only got a couple of ingredients. We've got some nice, beautiful Kerr Lake catfish that Chris has got us. We've got a great protein like this. Don't want to do too much. All right, so I've got my seasoning here. I'm going to go ahead and get the griddle nice and warm so that when I season the catfish, I can go straight on the griddle and get them going. I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil down here. We don't want a ton of oil. I'm just gonna take that and smooth it around the griddle a little bit. Okay, so we've got some good heat into our griddle now. So I'm gonna take my seasoning, get my first catfish fillet, dip that in there on one side, dip it in on the other side, make sure I got good coverage, and then we're going to the griddle. All right, now we're going into flip. So that's what we want with blackening. We've got a little bit of char on our seasoning. That's what we're after. That Cajun seasoning's got a little bit of brown sugar in it, so we want to get it nice and blackened up like that. Okay, I've got this first fillet. We're ready to pull it off, scoop under. All right, second one getting ready to come off the griddle here. Let's see what that other side looks like. Nice. Okay, there we have it, our blackened catfish. We served it over some rice, a little lemon on the side. All you need for blackened catfish or any fish is our Carolina Cooker Cajun Seasoning, some ripping hot cast iron, and a little bit of oil. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker, and let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the field and in the kitchen.